I know you want a healthier body, and you want to ease your soul. So here's some medicines that heal the world. So grow with herbs for health.
Good morning, everyone. Today on this video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my smoothies, or I guess you could say what type of smoothies that I make. These are my ingredients that I'm going to be using today, and this is like one of my favorite ones I like to make. I have pineapple, fresh pineapple that I cut. I have dragon fruit, and then I have these mixed fruits right here. Now, I'm using this because it has mangoes in it, but I usually only use mangoes, pineapple, and dragon fruit. Those are three main fruits I use. However, I don't have any more mangoes, but this is still going to be good. Alright, and I also use coconut water. You can use whatever type of juice. I would say make sure that it is 100% juice, but I use coconut water. I'm going to be adding Maca Powder and Ashwagandha because these two herbs here are an adaptogen, meaning, you know, they adapt to you, and then like if you're feeling fatigued, they both give you energy. Also, I would like to say this is very good for adding into your smoothies if you want to have a workout or go run. Me and my husband have seen significant amounts of energy we can put out after we added these to our smoothies. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and add my pineapples to the blender. I cut them up earlier, so I'm going to add those. I don't want my hands to get sticky, so I'm using this knife to slide them in there. Alright, nice big chunks of pineapple. Alright, then next I'm going to add my red dragon fruit. I personally like the red dragon fruit better than the white one. I get this from Kroger's. I don't know if you have a Kroger's in your area, but that's where I get mine from. Alright. Probably gonna add the rest of this because I only have a little bit left. And I make sure that I buy at least 2 or 3 bags of these at a time because at my local Kroger's they run out a lot. So we have that. Right. I'm going to go ahead and add Okay, so I blended that down. Now, as you can see, it's pink. That's because of the dragon fruit. If you're going to use a liquid that's kind of a light color, you'll be able to see, you know, the color of the dragon fruit come out a lot more. As you saw in the beginning, it was kind of a light pink color. That's because of the dragon fruit and because of this coconut water as well. This pink. So I'm not done blending it, but this is the point where I want to go ahead and add my herbs. Okay. Now, let me show you the packet here. I can tell you exactly where I got it. Maca Powder. Now, I don't carry Maca Powder on my website, at least not yet. I might in the future. But I got this Maca Powder actually from my local Walmart. But it's very, very good for women and men. If you're trying to have a great workout in the gym, it does give you that energy that you need. Also, for women, it increases that libido, and for men as well. So this is really, really, really good if you feel fatigued. It gives you energy if you're stressed, and also helps you increase your stamina. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and add some of that. I don't add a lot because it is a very strong taste. So I'm going to add about that much. Then we have ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is kind of like the Maca Powder. Both of them together creates a powerful energy boosting this for today. This is actually going to be my breakfast today, this morning. Yeah. So if you like this video, if you found it helpful, you know, give me a like, comment, give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable your notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. This has been actually fun to make. It's a very simple smoothie, simple ingredients with a little bit of added herbs to give you a boost. But I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for tuning in to another video.